How to remove facial verification in Binance. Hey everyone, if you're wondering how you can do it, let's find out in this video. First thing first, open up your Binance application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to head over to your security option by tapping on the top left corner. Here on the Binance logo, if you tap on it, you'll get to your profile and then click on your profile username or ID to head over to your profile. Now then, from here, you're going to have to head over to security because facial verification is a way for two-step verification or the 2FA. So from here, you're going to head over to passkey or biometrics, which makes your login easier. I am currently using fingerprint because I don't have facial verification set up on my phone. I just have fingerprint, but the process is the same. As you can see here, the fingerprint has already been added. So in order to remove it, all you have to do is find the trash icon right at the end on the right side of your screen and then click on it to remove this passkey or delete it. And if you want to edit it, just tap on this edit icon right here, and then you can rename the authenticator as well. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it completely, and you've successfully removed facial verification on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.